Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we will show you a simple trick how you can download all files and folders at once from your Google Drive account without any exception. Let me show you a simple trick you may apply here, guys. So what you want to do is head over to your Google Drive account, for example, accessed on your desktop computer or via a laptop. And what you want to do, guys, is click anywhere here on that left stripe here next to these files and press Ctrl A on your keyboard or Command A if you're using a Mac to bulk select all items, not up to 50 like it used to be in the past with that limitation, but all items here in your My Drive section, which is basically the overview of your entire Google Drive library. And to give you proof of that, guys, as you can see, all files have been selected, not only up to 50 like it used to be in the past, but if I scroll down to the very bottom of that list, you will see that it will go all the way down and I can't keep scrolling further down. So it has worked, and as you can see, all files have been selected. So now, guys, what is left to do is simply click on download here at the top to download all files at once. And as you can see, Google Drive will instantaneously prepare a zip file or a zip folder, with all these files included to download that. So it may take a moment, of course, depending on the folder size and the number or amount of files included in that folder. And that's basically it. After the download has been finished, you will be able to open the zip folder from your download folder on your device and to unpack it and to have access to all of these downloaded files from Google Drive. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.